In this video, you will learn how to configure SSL VPN for a remote worker to connect to a FortiGate protected network and enforce your security policies. You will create a remote worker named Jack. When Jack works at home or on his travels, he can go to the web portal using any device with internet access and FortiClient. The SSL VPN tunnel provides an encrypted communication path for Jack to connect to internal network connections and protected internet access. First, you are going to set up the VPN portal for both tunnel mode and web mode. Go to VPN SSL Portals. Edit the full access portal. Enable tunnel mode. Do not enable split tunneling. This will keep all your internet traffic going through the FortiGate unit and be subject to security profiles. Enable web mode. Also, enable status information, connection tool, and FortiClient download. Prompt mobile users to download the FortiClient app. Enable user bookmarks and create new in the predefined bookmark area. Bookmarks are used as links to internal network resources. To connect to your Windows server, add a bookmark for a remote desktop connection. Set the category to Remote Desktop. For the name, enter Windows Server. Set the type to RDP. Enter your host's network address. For the username, enter Jack. Enter a safe password. The same username and password you just entered will be used in the next step to create the user Jack. Next, go to User and Device, User Definition to create a remote user. For the username, enter Jack. Enter the same safe password. Add the email address, phone number, and service type. Select Enable. Then go to User and Device, User Groups to create a group for your remote user. Create a user group for SSL VPN Connections. Set the type to Firewall. Add Jack as a member. Before you begin, ensure that your SSL VPN tunnel address range is different from that of your internal network. Go to Policy and Objects, Addresses to add an address for the local network. Create a local LAN address with the local subnet. And ensure visibility is selected. Go to VPN SSL Settings to define how users can connect and interact with SSL VPN portals on your FortiGate. Set Listen on Interfaces to your external interface. Listen on port 443 and allow access from any host. Select Specify Custom IP Ranges and set the IP range to the SSL VPN tunnel. Under Authentication Portal Mapping, add the SSL VPN user group. Go to Policy and Objects, Policy, IPv4, and create two security policies to allow internal network access and internet access. Create the first policy. Set the incoming interface to the SSL root, the source address to the SSL VPN tunnel address 1, the source user to the SSL VPN group, and set the outgoing interface to your internal interface so that the VPN traffic can flow between the remote user and the FortiGate. Set destination address to your local LAN address. Enable NAT and configure any remaining firewall and security options as desired. Next, create a second security policy allowing SSL VPN access to the internet. Set the incoming interface to the VPN tunnel interface, SSL root. The source address to SSL VPN tunnel address 1. The source user to SSL VPN group. The outgoing interface to your external interface, which is usually WAN 1. Set the destination address to all and configure the rest as normal. Finally, set your FortiGate unit to verify that users have current antivirus software. Go to System, Status, Dashboard, and open the CLI console. Enter Config VPN SSL Web Portal. Edit Full Access. Set Host Check AV. End. These commands enable the host to check for compliant antivirus software on the remote user's computer. Go to VPN, SSL, Settings, and find your web mode URL to access the VPN portal. Log into the portal using Jack's user credentials. The FortiGate unit performs the host check. After the check is complete, the portal should appear. You may need to install the FortiClient application using the available download link. Sign into the FortiClient application with Jack's user credentials for remote access. Connect to the SSL VPN tunnel. Select the bookmark Remote Desktop link to begin an RDP session with the Windows server. Ensure that you can successfully browse the Internet and then quit the Java applet. Then go to VPN, Monitor, SSL VPN Monitor to verify the list of SSL users. Thank you for watching. For more information, you can access Fortinet's documentation library at docs.fortinet.com.